My friend, we start the problem. Imo! Imo, what are you doing? My friend, I'm talking to you. Huh? Imo, how could you be eating in my sitting room?
Oh.
Eh?
Robert, are you back? What happened?
What is this pot doing in my sitting room? What do you mean? What is that?
Oh, pot. What in pot they do for house? I just finished shopping.
Oh. You just need chopping. What about the dining? You couldn't use the dining.
I don't know, madman. No master me. Now where they take the chop for village?
What's it not the fruit I told you I bought for my girlfriend that will be coming for the weekend? Eh?
Weekend is still fine. No, log. You born up. Make I die before the weekend they go eat. Girlfriend never comes. Say mine with the 2 months. Fruit, no be fruit way food there. Your girlfriend Adam. Okay, I be by Henry the longer.
Imo, I will not tolerate this one. I will never take it. How can you be messing my whole sitting room up? Eh? How can you be messing everything? So if I thought I walked in here with my business colleague, this is how they will just meet you with this kind of mess.
So for office business colleague they go. I didn't have to go at a yard. How family colleague or business colleague will not office.
Don't tell me that. Eh? Imagine a full pot of soup. A full pot of soup. What am I going to eat? Eh?
The food where they are small soup where remain there. Even the soup don't sour. I just managed to boil them. I managed to swallow myself.
I remember I told you to make soup for us to eat when I was going out. So after cooking the soup, we now brought it out for you to finish alone.
I don't understand why they raise voice.
What do you mean? Why would you raise voice? You just imagine who eats in the sitting room. Who eats in the sitting room? You don't have fear. You don't even have any fear. You now went to my fridge to remove this fruit I told you I bought for my girlfriend. I don't know how you were pleading, telling me that you need a place for your head. Eh? Do you know how to maintain this house? Does anybody in your generation own this kind of mansion?
Hey, Robert, because you can insult me for pot of soup where does sour. You can insult me for drink where it is sweet. You can insult me for apple. Adam chop eyes open. You can insult me for all this one. But you see this one, this your white shrine here. No, just go there. No open mouth to talk to me about this white shrine. What did they your house say for I never lived before?
Hey.
Person no, just more. You have me for your house for 2 days. I want them to carry casual material.
My house is now a white shrine. Eh?
Before I come,
they blame you.
Let me be. Let me be. You open your normal. You put the person for house every now and then. If I mess, you will say I don't mess. Don't let them say come the knock for my door. Stop messing. I go enter bush, go mess. Not be where mess go get kabaya and here nation. Hey, this place is smelling. Who mess here?
Imo.
You don't you embarrass. What did they have said for I never see before?
Eh.
Okay, because no make me.
What did they have we never see before?
But no make me.
That's what you're asking me.
Before I go eat, I go enter toilet to go chop the food.
What do you mean? Don't you see the dining?
I'm not good with the dining. I do the dining is fine.
Imagine how you're messing the whole place up.
You don't know say yourself na mess up you.
I mess up.
Wallahi, a very big mess up. And then what can na hanga na lo be one. Give my brother for hanga. Bro 9 months pregnant aga hunche.
No problem.
What can be called na
This is how ungrateful that you are. You are so ungrateful. I brought you to my house to sport for you to sport here. You are not calling me names, insulting me.
Okay.
Eh?
It's in a name so.
You see this fruit? We are going to replace this fruit with your money. It's a must. You see all this fruit? You are going to replace it, and this soup, we are going to replace everything. What have you contributed since I've been supporting you in my house? Nothing.
Why baga jail? Because woman go come weekend. Get Ghana things. Ghana go give them pop out aya kwajo na fridge. But since why I come here, you don't buy even one toilet roll. Say I will never toilet.
Does it concern you?
Have you given me one toilet roll? Say take and go poo. Every day, woman go come here. You go close to shop right for them. But your own brother will come your house every day. Go they insult me. Insult me the night. Insult me the day. I go mess. You go say I don't mess. I go shit every day. I saw you they go look for toilet where I shit. It is my motivation. What come go? If you don't want me to stay here, I will go. I will go.
No.
See
the mouth you are using to eat fruit. Eh? Your mate, I don't know eat in the village eating ogiri. Eating what? I bought a special food for my girlfriend. You now went as in finish everything.
No, this shameless man they talk of girlfriend at this your age. When I was your age, I don't born two. No longer maybe girlfriend.
Don't I know about them? Opa get to ime puke.
To wakwa lotu. To wakwa ime elaha. Ime akakampu.
Don't insult me.
Don't insult
me.
Gaga not you are an insult to yourself. Gaga not. What is that?
See, let me tell you. I am going upstairs. By the time I return, make sure you pack all these things and remove from this parlor. How could you? How can you be so ungrateful? Imagine your clothes. You're not spreading clothes everywhere in my house. Let me see all these things here. Let me remind you. You see this kind of thing you are doing, insulting me in my house upon you are going to leave this house by the end of the month. You are going to leave this house by the end of the month. You are so ungrateful. You are so ungrateful.
It is I'm happy stay here. Mosquito hang channel Bram Nona. Every night to take send and musibe. Mosquito hang na so. It is I don't know. Mokem Gawabiko. I'm not going to spray my cloth for cheer.
Don't worry, let me go upstairs and return.
No, come stay. Come and panther word with me.
You are eating the sitting room. Village man.
Yeah, we sit in room. Oba kondo when Oba konde kurma haraj. Kondo when it is I don't know now. The other one come here, they them. Hey, look, let's say any other place where you go look. Now my beer. It is said my beer go put the money. If you cut any pack, I'm not going to tete. One of my bang him. Hey, a shank got my stuff I made up of. Useless idiot. You will go for every toilet. Now do for you pack your panty everywhere. Man, when we are do for waste. Why you put draws to go the other them nas young. A lend them. Patra blanket to cook. When you let down a draw see there, you kill and pass around on the door. When you go what your quagga. I got my broken emotion. I go enter ocean and go chop because I come your house. Offer, why just manage? You know how much medicine I go buy now to control the offer. In a coin, come away, walk, and you go wine got your weekend, get up by you, shishi. Mamma, when Bruno, La Quaca. Idiot of no in comparison. But I can't go. I work on the back before. Now, what's in this house? AC need a game one in China, one your key AC. What? Only your house, I don't say that they use key off AC. Pirata Primo bomb, my game I told the belly that joy you. You got one more child. Apple another total. What that total? We are going there. That talk about to that girl. What's the total? Because I know by the multitude number. Come all the while where she come and never hear. What that girl they shout take up a GM can't cry. A GM money cry. They can't agree me preach in your focus. I know that them I can't see it all on the baby like joy. The other day I touch enough for your door. And they listen make I hear on a voice. I know here. Everybody let joy some bam come one. When I don't die. Go to other people's house. Their girlfriend, they are ringing tone. Call what you Chineke kukuna no dot. Chineke kabagaring gitonga. Gita no moki atatetrete. Kaka. Yana akusa mwamri we bonkre. Idiot of no in comparison. We could ringing tone na kunu logo. Oh, than the set of ringing tone. Ghana bende gondama prego now de gobra. Ringing tone happy ke. Kego
Imo. So you don't clear that table. You've not cleared the table. I don't ask you to clear.
You didn't go near water. I'll be clear them take man go walk. Am I your mate?
It's okay, I know what to do. I know what to do. That I will see. Imagine the salad bread I bought for my girlfriend. You want to eat everything. Greedy man. So selfish and ungrateful.
And me raz go want to so sell fruit too. I didn't sell fish. I didn't answer. Eat a process. Sell fruit too. Eji bi dare kagon. Mbia kwa numu logo. Let them nada. One need to man are come. Go to village and sing God am gonna bury a lot. Ane hitasem here. Even the doors. No God women. Cloth go. Yeah. Idiot. Okay. Locality. No be wa ba je come here go me. Locality. I'm gonna go for woman go. Come to my brother's house for Cameroon. He flower very big. They didn't hear grass. You couldn't see. He don't know that no one. Oh my God! The other guy visit my brother for up. There I did. My own dead hand. You go up. He got one nail. My guy was nail. You come to this. Let's go here.